Hello student, welcome to the lecture number 17 of Petrochemical Technology. So in this lecture we will study about the gasoline treatment and operation of topping. So gasoline treatment and operation of topping units are two distinct processes within the realm of the oil refining. So gasoline treatment in the oil refinery involve various processes that aimed at improving the quality of gasoline produced. So this treatment is crucial to ensure that the final gasoline product meets the regular standard and consumer requirement. So some of the process involved in the gasoline treatments that include number one is the hydrodesulfurization. So this process is usually used for the removal of the sulfur compound from the gasoline to reduce the emission of sulfur oxide, which contributes to the air pollution and harm to the environment. And second is catalytic reforming. So this process enhances the octane rating of the gasoline by rearranging the hydrocarbon molecule to create the compound better combustion property and less carbon deposits into the engine. So and another process we have the alkylation. Alkylation, this combines the small molecules such as olefin, isobutane to produce larger high octane molecules suitable for gasoline. So gasoline treatment is a crucial aspect of refining operation. It ensures that the gasoline that produced from the refinery is meeting the quality specification based on the requirement of the customer, including all octane rating, means it has the better octane number, and vapor pressure, sulfur content, sulfur content should be minimum, and other regulatory requirement based on the market. Topping unit operation. Now next is topping unit operation. So topping unit operation, also known as the atmospheric distillation unit, and it is the initial stage in the crude oil refining. They operate under the atmospheric pressure to separate crude oil into various fractions based on their boiling point. So the process is fundamental and serves as the first step in the refining process. The key operation involves in a topping unit. These are heating and vaporization. So crude oil is heated in a furnace to vaporize its component. The second is fractional distillation. The heated crude oil enters into the distillation tower where it separates into different fractions based on their boiling point. Like uh, light fractions like the gases, gasoline, kerosene, diesel, and heavier fractions like residue oils are obtained at different levels within the distillation tower. Now next is the collection and further processing of the petroleum product from the refinery. So each fraction, as you know, obtained from the topping unit undergoes additional refining process specific to its intended use or application in subsequent unit within the refinery. So topping units are foundational in the refinery operation, breaking down crude oil into its primary fractions. Within the gasoline treatment focuses on enhancing the quality and property of the gasoline fractions from the end user. So based on the requirement of the engines, requirement of the plants, requirement of the furnaces, or requirement of different automobiles, the properties are changed and the topping units are used into the refinery to enhance the product quality. So both the processes are integral to several refining operations aiming to produce various refined products including gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, and other petrochemicals meeting the quality, environmental, and regulation standards. Here we have shown you a picture of crude oil topping unit starting from the refinery stage. So you can see a distillation column. From the beginning you see the crude oil is preheated, and then it is again uh, the impurities are separated over here, then it is going to a furnace. Here the heavier component of the crude oil is cracked into small product from the distillation tower. So you collect a different product from the distillation tower, and then it goes to the topping unit. So these are your topping unit to improve the quality and enhance the quality of the product as per the requirement of the market and regulations. So after the improving of this quality, this particular products are stored like kerosene, diesel, gas oil, fuel oil. So after the refinement and coming out of the topping unit, these are transported to the end user using the different transportation method. So at the top you see we have the polluted gases or the naphtha. Here this is a reflex drum. From here the pollution gases, sulfur compound are sent to the flared. So once they are burned and leaving the waste gases into the environment. So further we will continue into the next lecture. Thank you.